It is good that most people will never have their daily lives disrupted by a serious crime. However, the few who do often find themselves unfamiliar with the nuances of the legal system. That can frustrate and confuse victims. It can have the same effect on everyday citizens who are simply trying to understand the procedures in a high-profile case. Welcome. My name is Jeff Kidd, and I'm the Administrative Chief of Staff at the 14th Circuit Solicitor's Office. We bring to you this video series to explain the criminal justice process in the 14th Circuit and to make the confusing clear. In this fourth episode, we discuss the vital role of Solicitor's Office victim advocates as they help shepherd victims through the criminal justice process, which can take months or sometimes even years. One thing to remember about prosecutors: by law, they represent the state, not crime victims themselves. Nonetheless, the 14th Circuit Solicitor's Office values victim input, operates a victim services center to meet the specific needs of certain types of crime victims, and assigns a victim advocate in each of its cases. In South Carolina, crime victims have several specific constitutional rights. Among them are the right to be treated with fairness, respect, and dignity, be free from intimidation or harm throughout the criminal and juvenile justice process, be kept abreast of criminal proceedings, and be present at any proceeding where the accused also has the right to be present, be given an opportunity to be heard at hearings pertaining to bond, release, pleas, or sentencing, be informed if the accused is arrested, released, or escapes, and confer with prosecutors and have reasonable access to documents related to the crime before the case is heard in court. Most law enforcement agencies also have victim advocates, and often these people will be the first point of contact for victims. However, once an arrest is made, the solicitor's office advocate will typically be the primary liaison between the victim and the prosecutor. The solicitor's office employs dedicated professionals to work with victims and witnesses at every step of the judicial process. They often go above and beyond the provisions of these basic rights to connect victims with useful resources. For example, victims of domestic violence, sexual assault, or child abuse can be referred to our partners in the 14th Circuit Victim Services Center for counseling or assistance with civil or family court actions. In the next video, we explain how bond is set in South Carolina's General Sessions court cases.